evening, back with another video. Been a while. We had a hurricane. I'm on the east coast, so the hurricane really didn't hit me. It just spun off a fuck ton of tornadoes, which an EF3 tore from Port St. Lucie all the way up to the fucking moorings, Barrier Island, fucking due east of me. Fucking nuts. But anyway, today it's about the coupe. So I finally got it running, and it runs good. Oh, it runs good. Started putting some of the interior back in. I started on the Bodywork. Put the old camera around and show you what I'm torquing with here. So I finally got the engine to run. It was a mixture of, well, pretty much just the engine harness. That was the issue the entire time. I thought I had a blown ECU in there that I blew because I wasn't getting anything from the injectors. Turns out that it was just the harness. So I replaced the harness with a Wiring Specialties harness, and it fired up pretty good. I ended up buying a brand new intake tube off of eBay that is E32 MAF because that's what the Wiring Specialties has. I ended up picking this radiator up and E-fan shroud and everything like that from my buddy. I just got done wiring those up tonight to a little switch inside. It's not permanent. I want to get a nice, you know, professionally made harness, but this thing runs good. I'll insert a clip of that right here. She runs good. Mint. I like it. I like it a lot. So, yeah, as you can see, runs pretty good, and it runs damn good. I did do a fresh oil change. The oil was blacker than sin. Started putting the interior back in. I got the seats. Door card, carpet. I had the headliner out. I'm going to redo that. I got the back seat in. So everything works. I got all the brakes bled. The Z32 26mm front calipers gave me an issue only because I had a clog in that line over y'all. So yeah, that's all situated. And then back here is the body repair that I'm doing. So I cut out this piece, as you know from previous videos. Whoever did the Bondo on the other body panel bondoed this body line in, which no bueno. It's very hard to make body lines. So I cut this off of a vert and I welded it in, patched it in, seam sealed it with some RTV, which I did on my car over there. Works great because a Bondo glass on here is a structural joint, I guess, on top of the welds. And then I'll come in, I'll smooth this all down nice and neat, and then I'll come in with a nice glaze of regular Bondo, but that's gonna come out real nice, real fucking nice, as you can see. But yeah, so it's coming along pretty quick now. As soon as I got it running, I'm like, yeah, it's gonna go fast. So I'm posting stuff to my TikTok. I'm getting a lot more traction on my TikTok than I am here, which I don't know why, but it is what it is. So if you like what I'm doing here, like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, I always reply to questions. And expect a test drive video here very, very soon. I'm trying to do it this week because that was the only thing stopping me, was wiring up those radiator fans. And now that they're wired up, there's nothing stopping me. I put 5 gallons of fresh gasoline in it. I put a new wheel bearing on it because it needed a new wheel bearing. That thing was about to fall off. But yeah, I will videotape the first test drive ever in this car. I need to drive this thing again. It hasn't been driven in probably almost 2 weeks because of the fucking hurricane. It's not gonna be happy. So, but yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment. There's gonna be some good content coming. There's gonna be some really good content coming. So, all right, guys, catch you on the next one. Peace.